Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Ever wondered how everyone is creating stunning designs without being a pro designer? The secret is Canva. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. First up, simplicity. Canva makes designing effortless with its drag-and-drop interface. No steep learning curves, no complicated tools. Just pick, place, and create. Need a design? Canva has thousands of templates for social media posts, presentations, business cards, and more. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, Canva has something for you. Want to stand out? Canva lets you customize everything: fonts, colors, images, and even create a brand kit to keep your content consistent. Canva offers tons of free features, but if you want premium templates, background removers, and more, Canva Pro takes it to the next level. Work with your team in real time and let AI-powered tools like Magic Write and text-to-image do the heavy lifting for you. Design smarter, not harder. And Canva isn't just for images. You can edit videos, create presentations, and even build websites, all in one place. So, whether you're a beginner or a pro, Canva makes designing easy, fun, and powerful. Try it out and see the magic for yourself. And that's why Canva is a game changer. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it makes designing easier, faster, and more creative than ever. So, what are you waiting for? Try Canva today and unleash your creativity. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite Canva feature? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.